This is our sheet 1. Tableau also uses the terminology of sheets. Multiple sheets will come together on a dashboard. You can also have multiple dashboards in this file, and the name of this file is always going to be a Tableau workbook. So a Tableau workbook contains one or more dashboards, and one or more dashboards contain multiple sheets. And every single sheet in general equals to one visualization. On the left side, we now see that all of our columns or all of our available data has been divided in two big parts. You have your dimensions and you have your measures. If you hover over them, you'll see that dimensions by default have the blue color, while measures by default have the green color. The big difference between dimensions and measures would be dimensions are categorical. So that means we always want to see a list of all of these separate elements. We want to be able to see all the categories. We want to be able to see all of the different subcategories, the ship modes, the states. But we don't want to see every single sales value. These are often aggregated, summarized, to take an average of these. That's why these numerical values, we're going to count with them. That's maybe a high-level overview of the difference between dimensions and measures. What else do we see in this screen? Except for our data that's available on the left side, in the middle you'll see drop field here, drop field here, drop field here. So again, drag and drop to be able to create our own visualizations. Just like in our typical Excel files, we have our columns and rows. They look a bit different. And later on, you'll see the marks card being used as well. On the top right, something that's going to be extremely useful for everyone that's starting to work with Tableau is what's called the Show Me. If you open the Show Me, you can open and close it by clicking on it again. Very briefly, what I often see happening in trainings is that people start dragging the screen around. If you drag the screen around and you click on Show Me, it no longer collapses. It's no problem to click on this little X, because I see a lot of people doing an entire training with this screen over here, for example. That's not really going to help you in creating visualizations. So don't be afraid of clicking on the little X so it pops up on the top right again. We're going to see in a few minutes how this Show Me is going to be extremely useful to create your own first visualizations.